think it's swimming right at us. There's the hookup. My God. What's up, anglers? Welcome back to another video. We are here at a creek mouth tonight, and we're going to be chasing some flatheads. We only have a couple hours to fish, unfortunately, but we're gonna try, so let's hook them. Alright, I think we got a hit on the cut bait rod here. Let's see. Let's try to. Yep. Yep, we got. Oh, we missed him. Swing and a miss. Little channel cat, probably trying to take it off. Still got that bait, we'll just throw it back out. And. Alright, let's get that back out there. It's still in good shape. All right, game time. All right, we got one. I think it's swimming right at us. There's the hookup. Wow, it's strong. Very strong. My God. Oh. What? No. It's a flathead on cut bait. And the net.
Oh my gosh, it's a good one.
Nice one. Alright, sorry guys, I don't even have my lights out yet. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Alright, let me show you guys this fish real quick. Alright guys, first flathead of the night, 24.04. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one back. Awesome. Flatheads, freedom, and fireworks. Love it.